In this video, I will show you how to reset Instagram password if you forget. It should work on your Android and iPhone. So if you want to reset Instagram password, keep watching this video and let's get started. First of all, go to your profile, then check your username, then just search on any browser. I prefer to search on Google Chrome. Then click on the Instagram login. Then you complete the action using Google Chrome. Then put your user ID, username, then give the password. But you want to reset this, so click on the forget password. Then this option will come. From here, just put your phone number here. Then one text will come to your phone. So after putting your phone number, then send a login link. Click on send login link. Then one link will be come to your phone. Open it and then copy the link and go to the browser again. Then paste the link and then search this. Then this page will come. Here you can reset your password. First of all, you have to put your new password. Then I'm confirming new password confirmation. Then if I click the reset password, then password will be resetted. If this video help you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day.